Yo, what's up, Molly Bunch? Welcome back to yet another reaction. I feel like every year artists can conquer the end. I felt like Yo Maps 2024 was on fire. And I think so far from what I've seen, Vinchenzo 2025, fire. Moto, you know what I mean? So my name is TT. I am from Botswana. Yeah, I'm just gonna skip up the next part. Muribuanje ba Zambia, Muribuanje ba Malawi. How are you guys? All over Africa. Bonjour, ça va? Comment ça va? Ça va bien. Those of you who speak French, tudo bem for Portuguese, hola Spanish speakers. Thank you so much for watching this, man. If you are here for the first time, smash that subscribe button, hit the notification bell too so you don't miss any of the uploads on this channel. Then hit that like button. It is for the algorithm. I have one of my favorite artists so far from Malawi, Vinchenzo, featuring Ndine Emma. I'm Emma, that's the name it translates to, and J Cash, Mukandila. That's the name of the song. So I cannot speak Chichewa, but a little bit. We'll get there someday. Nyanja, Chewa, same kind of thing. Cousin languages. Anyway, let's get to it.
Yeah, I barely so in the building. Boy, Cash J Moore. I introduce you to Mukandila, Mukamuona madabo dombo, Mukandila, Mukamuona ne bungamo, Mukandila, nabanango 73, Mukandila.
Yo, that's a beautiful, beautiful shot there. Is that LSK? Is that Lusaka? I don't know. Where is this video shot at? If you know, let me know.
Ine nina muzivida kumaliro enzo dabwa chabe bantu basekerera kansi ya doneta madola Mukandila kumatero ni Mozesi Romax ya tandizapo majanki Fast day chiforo pa FB kansi aliko na muva charity Mukandila mwini muntu Mukandila muntu ni mwana wa Mulungu Odi giveni mukamuona ule mumpaseni Why bantu bazoze bamabanga ko chipani Nanga why bantu bazoze bamabanga ko chipani Mukandila Eveni muntu Pro Maxi Madabo Jombo Mukandila Eveni muntu.
Am I missing something? What's going on here? Let me know in the comment section.
Mukandila Mukamuona madabo Jombo Mukandila Bano chalo kuli bantu then kuli Mukandila Matixen kupaka yene talandila Vimazikomo sinizibana poya mbila Danjikoze mwashira Monga chalo chasira He cares pali me Putina pali you Notima jabama let me see what I can do Tina panga chokoso gwiliza na same glue Yakwe bati mundu ni boss bati ni same crew Akupasa ya renti ka change kula bia Futi ya panga zinangu katishi noko shia Bintu vea machita ni mawan akasia Tima mupe.
So I would like to apologize. I didn't mean to like block you guys' view because this is a reaction, but I totally forgot that I'm supposed to be commenting on this one as well. I'm trying to hear what they're saying, but you know, it's difficult. Just one word here and there. So totally apologize.
Perera kuri ya Mai Maria na Jombo imalira kuri Mukandila tikaona chechira nishicha lira die family pira mwene atisungira kaneza imagwira ni nyimbo yo mutashira Mukandila.
Why is that guy looking like J Cash though? Like they look, is it J Cash?
Jombo imalira kuri Mukandila tikaona chechira nishicha lira die family pira mwene atisungira kaneza imagwira ni nyimbo yo mutashira Mukandila. Mukandila
it does have like a traditional tune to it. Is this like some remake from some traditional sound or something? I don't know. It's like it's a song that you know, but you don't know as well.
Okay, kulichana bantu bakwe batukabungana naye vis-a-vis sunga leko swamolo fifi no job ayokupasa chatia ni pressure free Mukandila sama negotiate ya feature findiye bantu kungala nama Mukandila bali 10 chinga wame medovo na muvali ken kumuposha kochechi 40 pini muli cash ona karukungu ya lila jombo muli taki ndiwe big fish but isu swiminga na mashaki big fish but phone iri na makraki wa big money ni malevo ya lama.
Why are you gonna do people dirty like that? Oh man, he's saying a lot of things. Normally I understand what J Kish is saying. I don't know. For some it's weird. But let me see. He says something there.
Big fish but isu swiminga na mashaki big fish but phone iri na makraki.
Big fish, but your phone has cracked. You already saw that the person who has a lot of money, but the phone has seen better days. It's have fallen, cracked, broken, half screen is not working. But the big is a big man, big fish.
A big money ni malevo ya lama sat. No bad record clean yolo drama sat. Nina chinja seko cause I wanna level up. Tired of people calling akafuna cheko lab. Nili na mutima one.
Maybe it's one of those people. I'm one of those people calling like what? What's a collab?
Manja hope sima one.
Mukandila, mukamuona madabo jombo. Mukandila, mukamuona ni bungamo. Mukandila, na banango 73. Mukandila, na banango 73. Mukandila, even muntu pro maxi. Madabo jombo. Mukandila, even muntu pro maxi. Mukandila, mukamuona madabo jombo. Mukandila, mukamuona ni bungamo.
Pro Max. I don't know what. Yo, thank you so much for watching this, man. I gotta get my things in order. There we go. Thank you so much for watching this. Ziko Mukwambiri. Please go check out that music. I know I've been standing in front, like I blocked it for half of the song, so you guys can go and watch the actual song. See what I did there? But yeah, man, Vinchenzo's on fire this year, and I feel like it's like he's conquering 2025. I don't know. Maybe it's just me, but I think he's doing good, and I think his year is going so well. 2025 is going really, really good for Vinchenzo. I will see you guys on the other side. Bye.